Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. Today in this video, we will have a quick recap of the previous sounds. So the first letter is letter P. Yes, the name of this letter is P and the sound of this letter is parrot. Parrot. Peacock, pen, peacock, pen. The next letter is letter I. Yes, the name of this letter is I and the sound of this letter is igloo, inkpot, insects. Next letter is letter F. The name of this letter is F and the sound of this letter is fish, fan, flag. Yes, the sound is fan, flag. Next letter is letter D. The name of this letter is D and the sound of this letter is dog, drum, duck. Yes, the sound is drum, duck. Now you have to practice these sounds again and again. Till then, bye.